Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do something different. Never done it before. I am going to video my makeup application, but I'm only going to do one side so you can see the difference. So I've moisturized already. So I'm going to start out with the Touch Mineral Liquid Foundation. And normally I would use 5 drops on my foundation brush, but since I'm only going to do half, I'm only going to try 3 drops. See what happens. Here we go. When you apply the foundation with the brush, just use circular motions, and that just gets it all blended in nice. Go down on your neck, because you want it to blend really well so that you don't have definite lines. And actually that 3 drops for half my face was a little much, but it's kind of hard to do 2.5 drops. Okay, next up is I'm going to do my eyeliner, because I like to do that before I do the eyeshadow. And I'm using the Moodstruck Precision in Prosperous, which is a brown. And what I like about this precision pencil is it is truly precision. Just a little bit of a line. Next, I'm going to go to my Splurge eye cream, and today I have chosen Assertive. It's a kind of a dark green in the bottle, but not to worry, it will lighten up. Now with Splurge, you just need a little bit. So I'm going to just gently touch the eye cream and put it on. I only use one color. For one thing, I haven't gotten into the real, do this highlighter, that highlighter. And I want to get it a little bit darker. The nice thing about Splurge is it is very, very blendable. And buildable. Now before I do my lashes, I am going to do my brows. And I was lucky enough to get one of the Browed and Proud kits. And so I got these great little stencils for doing my eyebrows. And I've chosen number 5 because it's a little bit narrower. And I overplucked my brows when I was younger, so I'm kind of paying for it now. First thing I'm going to use is the Precision Eyebrow Pencil. And I'm going to just brush the brows up and kind of get the shape I want. Then I'm going to use the pencil, and it's precision. It is quite precision. And I'm going to lay the stencil over my brow and just start filling in. And it's got a nice little line in the center so you can see where the center of your eye is. And just fill in with the brow pencil. And then I'm going to take the brow gel, which actually has little fibers in the gel. It's got a little bitty brush. And just brush it on. And it gives you a few extra little hairs. Plus, the gel kind of sets your brows. Keeps them in place. Now I'm going to do my Moodstruck 3D mascara. It comes in 2 tubes. We have gel and we have fibers. Always put your 3D mascara on gel, fibers, gel. So, first I'm going to do a coat of gel. And your first coat needs to be a pretty good coat, not real heavy, but not so light that the fibers have nothing to stick to. So then I go to the fibers, and they have a real narrow brush, and I roll the brush up the back of my hand, and that just gets the fibers all going in one direction. And then I apply the fibers. And you don't need a heavy coat because you can build your fibers up. And I mainly want volume, so I'm not going with a heavy coat of the fibers. Then I let it dry for a minute. And then I apply a second coat of transplanting gel, and that seals the fibers onto your lashes. And if you can, do the top of the lashes. I have a hard time doing that. Then I'm just going to put a light coat of just the transplanting gel on my lower lashes. Now our 3D fiber mascara is ophthalmologist approved. The fibers are just cellulose, so they shouldn't do any damage to your eye. How's that so far? Next I have my lip stain, Shy. And I really like the lip stains. They add just a nice little pop of color, and let that dry. Once it's dry, it's there for quite a while. And okay, now some Opulence lipstick, and this is in Upscale, and it's kind of a beigey pink, real light color. And that lip stain just kind of gives it a pop of color along with the lipstick. So, how do I look?